Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Rajahmundry location. It is located in Andhra Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for executive credit operations. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, to achieve the target on indicators, ensuring policy adherence and meeting the TAT, maintaining file inward TAT at TCS for fresh dispersal cases, maintaining branch outward TAT on fresh dispersal cases, adhering to swapping process and maintaining TAT, liaising with courier partners and focus on cost reduction per file. These are the job duties and key responsibilities. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, graduation with 2 to 3 years of relevant experience is required, and with good conceptualization skills, leadership and team building skills, effective communication, knowledge about SOP preparation, good application knowledge in Salesforce and FinOne, and policy understanding and implementation are required. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Corgil. They are looking for assistant manager external warehouses. Coming to the key accountabilities, provide input for developing action plans to close gaps between target and actual measures, maintain data relevant to inventory planning activities including capacity, constraint, logistics, supplier, master and location data, perform data management, analysis and reporting to provide input in setting inventory metrics targets, conduct moderately complex audits and analysis on risk exposure and process improvement, and recommend next steps to senior members of the team. Create inventory plans and business review for assigned products for locations. These are the key accountabilities. Coming to the qualifications required, bachelor's degree in a related field or equivalent experience, along with experience in the management of inventory records and execution of cycle stock and safety stock plans, and other minimum qualifications may apply. And coming to the preferred qualifications, those are MBA in supply chain or a related qualification with 6 years plus experience in handling warehouse, engaging loading and uploading activities and inventory management, and preferred knowledge of SAP is required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. One, there is a job opening available in TopTel. They are looking for senior React developer. Coming to the requirements, 3 years plus experience in software development, strong proficiency in JavaScript including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model, thorough understanding of React.js and its core principles, experience with popular React.js workflows such as Flux or Redux, familiarity with the newer specifications of ECMAScript, experience with the data structure libraries like Immutable.js, knowledge of isomorphic React is a plus, familiarity with the RESTful APIs, knowledge of modern authorization mechanisms such as JSON Web Token, familiarity with modern front-end build pipelines and tools, and experience with common front-end development tools such as Babel, Webpack, NPM, etc. These are the requirements for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. They are looking for city head POS. Coming to the responsibilities, business planning and strategy, cascade and align the business plans of the channel to the FOS team, drive the recruitment team to onboard a new IMDS and sales team to cater to the requirements of the existing IMDS, intermediaries management, analyze performance of all IMDS and formulates strategies for activation and maximization of revenue generated by each intermediary, and manage IMT relations and coordinate internally with various functions like operations, IT, etc. to ensure effective delivery of day-to-day service requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Exide Life Insurance. They are looking for relationship manager. Coming to the skills required, those are GIL to work in sales, and the candidate must be graduate and must have two-wheeler and a smartphone. And coming to the desired skills and experience, the candidate have the skills in these ones like sales, customer relationships, and performance consulting, sales process, insurance, cold calling, banking, direct sales, marketing, sales presentations like this. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Last one, there is a job opening available in TIME. Those are looking for faculty. Coming to the expense required, that is 2 to 5 years of experience required. Coming to the requirements, profile engineers from premier institutes with a good academic background or BSc or MSc in maths, teaching experience of at least 2 years, preferably but not mandatory, and good communication skills required. Candidate who have earlier appeared in bank or SSC, CGLE or RRB and had cleared the written or online exam may also apply. These are the requirements for this job. And coming to the qualifications, graduate or postgraduate in any discipline, prior teaching experience is desirable, good communication skills, candidates who had earlier appeared for CAT and secured good percentiles may also apply. These are the qualifications. Coming to the next one, that is English faculty profile. Desirable qualifications will be BA or MA or MPhil or PhD in English literature or English language, minimum experience of 2 years and good communication skills. Candidates who had earlier appeared for bank or SSC, CGLE or RRB and cleared the written or online exams may also apply. Coming to the desired skills and experience, the candidates have skills in these ones like logical reasoning, English literature and English faculty, teaching, counselor and English like that. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.